At some point, you have to admit that that red political party is a cult. It is a cult. You cannot convince me otherwise. You can never convince me otherwise. Tell me why. When uzovumela yonke into eshiwo ile leader yayo, even when you see what it's wrong. Legalize prostitution, document illegal immigrants, document people who came into South Africa illegally, people who committed crime, people who deserve to be behind bars. Legalize prostitution. Document those people. And when you agree with everything he says, yebo baba, are you okay? Are you okay upstairs? People who contribute nothing at all, the country needs. Instead, but and when you think it's okay to legalize those people, and who can kill you today and get away with it. You can never find them. Never. The same way they came into South Africa, and when you think it's okay to document those people, people who commit serious crimes in South Africa, we all know what's in my headlines. It's always Malawian did this and that, a Mozambican, cars were stolen, blah blah blah, found in Mozambique, a Zimbabwean was found with, blah blah blah, a Nigerian was found with. I agree with every freaking thing that man says. Yebo baba. But that person, the reason person, lives in the wing that's protected. He has security guards when we have none. That person would never ever take a stranger into his house. His house is guarded. You are not guarded. The muntu lo akahlupheki. He eats bacon, eggs, scrambled eggs every morning. You have nothing. You have no bodyguards. You walk in the streets full of these people. You risk. You can get hurt. You can get killed any day. Why are you acting as a dumb? Why? Even if he's wrong, he's right in your eyes. Now tell me why that political party is a cult. It is a cult, more like Bobushu. It is a cult. It is more of a cult than a political party. It is a weapon formed against South Africans. No, deep down you know this. I know deep down you know this political party is bullshit. Unjani? This political party is fucking bullshit. You just get to admit. Nobody's gonna kill you. People who are gonna kill you are illegal immigrants. Use your medulla. Who are these people? Does he know them? Does he personally know them? Because and also I benefit something from here. Never. I disagree. Everybody protects what feeds them. Everybody protects what feeds their mouth, their stomach. That is that. That is what is happening. Unabantu who are benefiting from these illegal immigrants. That's why they are saying nothing about it. Unabantu like us who want a better South Africa because we know we're going to benefit a lot. We're going to benefit a lot. A safe South Africa. South Africa's going to walk out safe. More job opportunities for injustice South Africa. Ama benefits Tina Eswela with some illegal immigrants are hambi. And the people they know what they are benefiting from these people. You cannot tell me otherwise.
You know, there's a certain group of people that confuses me in South Africa, and these are the black people that are defending illegal foreigners in our country and defending the influx of a lot of immigrants in South Africa. And it's very confusing because I'm sure they can see that our communities are overrun by illegal foreigners, and it makes everything very difficult. It makes policing difficult. It makes service delivery difficult. It makes generally everything difficult. And where it gets very painful is the crime. That's where it's very, very painful, because when people commit crimes and they're undocumented or their documents are fraudulent, it's difficult to find them because you can't run prints, you can't do anything. And to the politicians that are defending this illegal immigration and the influx of immigrants in South Africa, the day that they will come on board with what March and March is doing is the day that a family member of theirs is killed and the killer can't be found, because it's hard to do an investigation on a person we don't know, who's not documented correctly. And yes, I'm talking about the EFF and Malema. See, the day he goes back home and he finds his family member hurt or dead or sick from eating contaminated food, that's when he'll realize why it's important for us to control the influx of immigrants in South Africa and send back most of them to where they come from. And sometimes when I also see South Africans, normal South Africans, defending the illegal immigration in South Africa and defending the influx of immigrants in South Africa, I ask myself why they do that. During apartheid, when they were fighting against the white government, and in the communities there were people who were counter-revolutionary, and they would be informants to the white government. What they would do is that they would form a mob and come to your house and beat you to death, even go to the extent of killing you and necklacing you with a tire, so that everyone can see that the cause that we are on is a very serious one. We want a specific result that's going to benefit us all. We don't care what you think. The group wants this, and that's it. The problem with democracy sometimes is that everyone wants to have an opinion. And a lot of the times their opinions are not logical. They don't make sense at all. They just have an opinion because they can, or because they have interests in the issue. Like if you are married to a foreign national, or you've got kids with a foreign national, or you are friends with a foreign national. The truth is, what you are experiencing personally and how you benefit personally, it doesn't matter to the bigger picture. The bigger picture is we have got uncontrolled immigration in South Africa, and it's causing a big load on our service delivery. There's a lot of crime. South Africans are suffering because of this issue. So when organizations like March and March are trying to fix it, shut up for a moment, keep quiet. Your opinion is not relevant for that moment. Because sometimes I feel like South Africans who are against this should be disciplined. And that Red Party that is advocating for these illegal immigrants to be in South Africa should be also punished at the polls. Because this is not a small issue, it's serious. You should see how many young boys are on drugs in our communities. And this never used to happen when we were alone. It never used to happen. This is a very new problem. You should see how many young boys are on drugs, and how many young girls are pregnant. Oh my God, it's just bad. It's just bad. I wonder what these fellow South Africans that are against March and March are thinking. It doesn't make sense. It really doesn't. It's stupidity that I don't understand.
32 undocumented illegal foreigners have been found on a bus. An illegal foreigner has been found with medication close to Banban. And ama headlines lawa eswafundayo about illegal immigrants in our country not almost every day. And we are supposed to say because asifuni kuthiwa we are being tribalistic or being xenophobic. March in March bikadise East London there to support our fellow Nguni brothers amaXhosa in the fight against illegal immigration. Number one, Jacinda Sandra-Sam, I think I don't tell you this enough. Angwazi uyini girl, but Sandra Sam, uNkulunkulu akukhuphule, uNkulunkulu akugcine. Because le oyenzile ngiyibone eThekwini kuqala uhlanganisa amaqembu ezepolitiki unity, uhlanganisa uXhosa noZulu right now. Kufanele bakuzonde Sandra Sam. Yabo leyo ufune kuvela uyazi ukuthi hayi kumele bangizonde ngoba ngenza into engakazi yenziwe. Yabona. So she was in East London and somebody said bese seduze neOrania, but she didn't go in. And if it's not the first time abantu bethi ngabekiwe Orania. All good and well, angizeli ukuzoniphikisa ukuthi indaba kungayiwe Orania, but uJacinda uMangobese decide yena ukuthi she wants to go into the fight of illegal immigration, and she led from the front. Akazange ahlale on social media athi webantu anihambeni niyomashela ama illegal immigrants. She did it herself. So nawe mubona ukuthi engathi indaba yase-Orania idinga i-attention. Sicela u-organize nawe. Mobilize us on the ground. Thina sikhona, we will support. So manje wena muhleli kini and then uthi engabekiwa lapha akusetshenzwa phela kuwena gogo. Nobody is on your akekho umuntu okwi-payroll yakho ofune kumthume wena la usaba ukuya khona musuthi wena kuya abanye abantu. Wena mubona ukuthi kunesidingo. Sicela usimobilize. Sizoya thina. Sizophela sizohamba emva kwakho, but you need to be on the ground with us. Enye into, these people who label as tribalistic or xenophobic, bafowethu uyishilo lento uMamkhathi uGugukhathi wathi abantu abadayisizwe kakhulu ithina abantu besifazane. And uqinisile ngoba laba bantu bazibona bengcono kunobhuti bethu, bayibona bengcono kunama boyfriend or our husbands, because bafike la eSouth Africa umuntu ezela ingane, ubaba wengane engayondli, and then wakushada wakundlela ingane yakho. So manje wena ngoba usaba ukuyosebenza, ngoba phela akukho kunye, usaba ukuya emsebenzini, ufuna ukondlelwa lengane yakho ngoba wena usibanibane from Nigeria ukunika 5,000 whatever money la kunika yona asiyazi, wena ubone ngathi ke manje thina mesibaxosha senza wrong ngoba nakho sixosha iparish lakho. Lalela ke gogo, uthina we work for our money ngendlela eyiyona. So manje ukuhamba kwabo decreases nothing from our pockets. Kunaloko it's gonna allow our fellow brothers and sisters ukuthi bathole imisebenzi kusetshenzwe bakwethu ngoba akusetshenzwe South Africa. I know ke kuthiwa vele laba basebenza imisebenzi esingayifuni eyipi yona emagaraji, shuthi wena ukule ungawufaka upetrol ngoba phela basemagaraji bafaka upetrol. Menithi baseyindlini, abanye bethu bakhuliswe ama domestic workers. Bekobani laba besebenza eyindlini? Domestic workers thina sikhulisile. Even abanye bethu bakhuliswe bekuze kube negama kuthiwa ongquzana ama garden boy. Bekobani ngoba bekobaba bethu nomkhulu bethu besebenza lapho. Namhlanje nisitshela ukuthi leyo msebenzi iyenziwa yibona ngoba ama South Africans awayifuni. Kahleni bo ngoba nina abelungu or people abakwazi uqasha abantu benza exploitation ngoba baholela imali ezincane vele ezingekho emthethweni. Ngoba vele bona bekho emthethweni. So nina by saying that ingoba vele these people are being exploited ngoba abayihola imali efuna ngabe bayahola ngoba they are here illegally. Sidlule lapha. Menisitshela ukuthi kusatshwa iOrania nani lapha eDington Primary School kwangagcwele izingane zamabhunu ezayivimbele izingane zase South Africa isikhala. Akugcwele izingane zamabhunu lapha yana. La engabe khona kufunda izingane zethu, kufunda izingane zakwenye indawo. Mina ngithekselwa ingane yakwenye indawo ukuze le ngane ithole istationery, ithole uthisha ozoyifundisa, ithole iclass. Kodwa akusiyona la eSouth Africa. If we look at our public hospitals, akugcwele amabhunu, akusiwona vimbile lapha nembhede. Wayisho lento uPoppy is it Poppy? Yes, uLwaseli Poppy. Ethi mina itaxi yami ikhokhela wena ukuthi wena weqa umncele from Zimbabwe and come here, what you gonna pay? Akugcwele amabhunu. So the reason why we are fighting this kangaka asilwi futhi nabo. We are fighting with our government ukuthi our borders are too porous, like kungena inombani ikampunze endlemini lana. And this fight is not about them. We love them and we want them to go back home bayolwa nohulumeni wabo so that their countries abe right now ngoba ibona abavotele lo hulumeni obaphethe kabuhlungu kanjeni. So in order ukuthi nize la on social media and say akiwa ngani kuphi, hamba phela, hamba wena thina sizokusupport. And lastly, izophuma idate yase Pretoria. Asifase niteku qondwe khona bakwethu. Le fight is for everyone. Eyethu yabona thina ezele sizwa usizi masibuka the state of our country ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani kusasa, kuzokwenzakalani next week endlele ekubheda ngayo. We want to say thank you to the March and March. Thank you to the MK Party. Thank you to the ATM. Thank you to the AFP. Thank you to Action SA. And Operation Dudula. Siyabonga, guys, that nilapha pants on the ground fighting with us. Siyabonga. Hey, Mangobese Sando Sam. I say this njalo ngithi mangibuka ubaba Zuma ehambe duze kwakho fighting with you. Ngithi mina uJacinta is so lucky. Kodwa futhi mase ngibona wena, the way you carry yourself, the way okhuluma ngayo about this, ngithi mina hayi no ubaba Zuma uyo lucky to have you. Ay uNkulunkulu angcine lapho kaZuma bakithi siyanthanda. Siyakuthanda Mangobese, and uNkulunkulu uzokugcina uzokuphephisa, and we can already see the fights khona debesha ayeshayiwe ma foreigners ngapho thongathi, and usukumelile naye uJacinta lolu daba. So sesisempini ngoba labantu abafuna ukuhamba, wena ungazabalaza ukuhamba emzini womuntu kangaka yindaba. Sicela support khohlwani laba bathi xenophobic tribalistic, siyazi bavikela isisu zabo ngoba basaba ukusebenza odade wethu bafuna ukondliwa ibona. So hayi ngoba bebathanda nabo bathanda izinto ababezenzela zona, kodwa ekugcineni sithi ukuhamba bona bazohamba.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. People are saying ukuthi EFF, it's the weapon formed against impumelelo yase South Africa, because tell me why EFF kube ngiyo le supporter ma foreigners aze akhuluma umalema. The person ofuna kuba president kokuthi indzaba yama foreigners vele ngeke sisiyinqobe vele into lesingayenda manje ukuthi siba document like what that means ukuthi wonke umuntu wase-Africa utogijima e-South Africa ukuthi we yasambeni baya document e-South Africa. Awema people are saying ukuthi why umalema defend ama foreigners, umuntu lo njani lo defend ama foreigners kuze kube khona people who are actually saying ukuthi there's no way umalema ngaba yi-South African. Some are even saying ukuthi baba wakhe he's Zimbabwean, I think basho njalo, mama wakhe ngoyi-South African. But why abona ukuthi i-South Africa isenkingeni lengakanani? He doesn't care. Into la ikhuluma ukuthi ngisayincoba lempi lena abadocumentweni. Why isixosha our African brothers i-South Africa ila ikhona because of foreigners. Akafuni kuvalutho umalema ngema foreigners. So people are saying ukuthi njena singenelo la EFF, because why EFF sisima sithi siyalungisa ifuna kusimoshela live lethu ajabule afe bajabule bafe abantu bokufika mabeva umalema abadefender batomvotela nokumvotela because we know ukuthi they are buying ngisho nokubhaya ama ID. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.